years of delicate peace in the mountains of northern Burma could soon be broken by civil war. An army is recruiting and training, preparing to fight. Their songs call for freedom, freedom and equality for the Kachin people, amid suspicion the government wants them crushed. Perhaps only 10,000 men and women make up the Kachin Independence Army, but even its cadets are resolute.
We are like a grain of sand in the desert compared to the Burmese army, which may be the strongest in Southeast Asia. But God will help us to liberate our people, to get freedom and equality.
They are fortifying their defences. If fighting comes here, it'll be brutal jungle warfare as they dig in to defend their territory. There are about 24 ethnic groups scattered along Burma's various borders. The biggest of them have been at various states of civil war or ceasefire over the past decades. But this election year, the Burmese government wants to solve what it sees as the problem of the ethnic groups once and for all, either by merging them into one border force or making them give up their weapons. And the Kachin, one of the biggest groups, have refused. The Burmese positions are just over the valley. This would be one of many front lines. I can't say if there will be war for sure, their commander said, but if we are attacked, we will fight back, and neighbouring ethnic groups will support us. Pomp and propaganda is part of the training, keeping traditional Kachin music and culture alive among the next generation of revolutionaries. They're a distinct ethnic group who currently control large swathes of northern Burma. They risked taking us to the very edge of their control. Well, this is about as close as we'll get to the Burmese army. Just down on the road here is the Kachin post, and then a bit further along, the Burmese army post. It's quite relaxed here at the moment between the two, but that could change at any time. Hundreds of new recruits are being trained here every couple of weeks. It's up to the Burmese government now. The Kachin army are waiting and watching for them to make a move, and for the regional chaos civil war would bring. Alistair Luther, BBC News, Northern Burma.